Assalamu alaikum everyone. So let's get started with question 4 of Unit 1, January 2024. Water is an important molecule in living organisms. Water is a dipolar molecule that forms hydrogen bond with other water molecule. Explain the dipole nature of water. So, what does dipole nature of water means? It means that the water molecule has an oxygen and two hydrogen atom, right? And the oxygen atom has a slightly negative charge over it, and the hydrogen atom has a slightly positive charge. So it shows the dipole nature of the water, and the oxygen atom it's slightly negative and the hydrogen atom are slightly positive. And as there is an uneven charge distribution across the molecule, and thus the water pulls the electron towards it. Okay, so let's see the answer. Oxygen atom is slightly negative and the hydrogen atoms are slightly positive. There is an uneven charge distribution across the molecule, uneven distribution of electrons, and so the oxygen pulls the electrons towards it. As there is there are many water molecule, you can say, so this oxygen will pull the hydrogen over here. Okay, because it is slightly positive, it's slightly negative, and it's slightly positive, and it creates an attraction between them. And this is the dipole nature of the water. Okay, let's see the second answer. The diagram shows a water molecule. Complete the diagram to show a hydrogen bond between the two water molecules. It's really easy. Let's see the answer first. Here, as I said before, and this is let's suppose this is a water molecule, right? And it contains a slightly negative charge, and these two contain slightly positive charge. So here, this positive hydrogen makes a attraction with this negative oxygen. It's slightly negative, and this is slightly positive. Okay, and this makes an attraction. And this is what was said in question 1. Okay, if you see, I hope you're clear now. Now let's see the question B. Water plays a role as a solvent. Water plays a role as a solvent. Sodium chloride dissolves in water. The diagram shows the sodium ion Na plus. See the sign. Okay. Complete the diagram to show the arrangement of two water molecule around sodium ion when it's dissolved. So as it is Na plus, of course, negative will go for the positive, and negative will come in attraction, right? So I hope you understand the answer will be, yeah, this is the answer. So this is the sodium, and here it's oxygen. It's slightly negative, and this is slightly positive. Give the charge, this is slightly negative and this is slightly positive, so it attracts it. Okay, this is what it looks like if we mix sodium and chloride and sodium and chloride into the water, like salt water. Okay, so let's see the 3 number question. Temperature affects the solubility of chemicals in water. Okay. The graph shows the effect of temperature on the solubility of 4 chemicals, chemical A, B, C, and D. So here what we're going to say, here the dependent variable is the solubility of chemical, where the independent variable is the temperature. Okay. Here, as the temperature changes, the solubility of the chemical changes. It shows different trends with different things. Okay, so let's see, let's find out the things. Question. A chemical. Okay, so the chemical A always rising. Chemical B rised up to a point and then decreased. Chemical C shows quite constant, but it's increasing a little bit. Chemical D never rise, it's always down. So let's see the question first. Describe the effect of temperature on the solubility of these chemicals. As I explained over here, you just need to see the graph and explain it according to it. This is one of the most easiest question, like for all exams. Like this, describe the graph. Like whatever you see in the graph, just describe it, and try to give some numbers. Like chemical A increased from this to this point. It can give you extra marks. Like, not extra marks. I mean, it will have a less chance to deduct your marks. Okay, so let's see the question. Sorry, let's say the answer. The A here in chemical A increased in temperature, and it shows a linear increased solubility. Or you can also say the positive correlation is seen for chemical A because it was always rising. You can write positive correlation, no problem. Then for chemical B, increase in temperature up to 32 degrees Celsius. Okay, and then increase in the solubility and then decreased then. Okay, after 32 degrees Celsius it decreased. For chemical C, increase in temperature can have a slight increase on the solubility. As the, yeah, it shows a slight, as I said here, it shows a slight increase but not even constant, a slight increase. So increase in temperature can have a slight increase on the solubility. And number D is increase in temperature can decrease the solubility. It shows a constant decrease, right? It's not increasing. So let's so this is the end of question 4. See you in the next video. For now, bye bye.